Mrs. DC here, and I'm going to walk you through how to write your PE analytical paragraph. So, PE stands for Possibility of Evil, which is the story that this paragraph is about. So, you need to make sure that you've read the story. There's audio available here for you, as well as a PDF of the story. And then you can work on actually writing your paragraph. So, in class today, we not only talked about or read this story, but we also took notes on paragraph structure. So you should have some notes on paragraph structure, and you should be using those to guide you today. So I'll show you what I have out to do this assignment. I have my notes on characterization, excuse me, my notes on theme and symbol, and my notes on paragraph structure. So there are two different prompts that you could have attempted today, one on characterization and one on theme. So I'm going to walk you through how to do the topic sentence and the explanation of the topic sentence for both of them. And then we can review the other parts of the paragraph that you want to make sure that you are including. All right. So remember that when we do a topic sentence for a single paragraph prompt like this, we are doing it just the same way we would do the R and A of race in a short answer response. So for prompt A, which is what is the author's overall message, we would write the author's overall message is. And here's where you would identify the theme of the story. Okay, so, and again, that's for prompt A. And this would be our topic sentence. All right, so next, for the other prompt, rather, for prompt B, let's take a look at that real quickly. We have what two words best describe Mrs. Strangeworth? Okay, so if we were going to restate that question, we would say the two words that best describe Mrs. Strangeworth are blank and blank. And so you would pick two of her character traits to put into that sentence. So don't forget, you have all of these character traits listed on the back of your notes if you're looking for ideas. So that would take care of your topic sentence. Now, for your explanation of topic sentence, that is also going to vary based on which of the two prompts you are doing. So I'm going to write explanation of topic sentence here so that that is labeled, and then we can look at what we might put for our theme one. So when we're talking about theme in your explanation of the topic sentence, you want to tell what the author uses in this story to give clues to the theme. So the author uses blank to give clues to the theme. Or you could say to help develop this theme. So what you're going to put in this blank then is one element from notes. So if you look at the back of your theme notes, you had these 6 elements that could give clues to the theme. Pick one. So that's how you would do your explanation of topic sentence for the first prompt, for prompt A. For the prompt on characterization, prompt B, you would say the author uses blank to reveal these traits. And then you would put in the blank the methods of characterization used by the author to develop or reveal the traits. Okay, so if I look at my notes, you can see we have direct characterization as a method, and then we have speech, thoughts, effect on others toward the character, and actions and looks. Those are our options as far as what we could put in that blank. And then you're going to just finish up your paragraph by adding some relevant evidence. For the paragraph where you have the 2 traits, you either need to find a quote that shows both traits. And if you can't find a quote that shows both traits, then you'll need to have a quote for each trait. So this is an instance in which your paragraph might need to have 2 quotes in order to prove your point. And then you'll have your explanation of evidence and your concluding wrap-up sentence at the end. Right, so that's how you would get started on the PE analytical paragraph assignment. Let me know if you have questions.